What's up? This is your boy Alfa Tech and welcome to another dose of tech. Today we are going to talk about a very small light but with a lot of big things up its sleeve. The Godox ML30 Bicolor lights. Let's get right into the video, shall we? I am Iron Man. If you are new here, welcome. In this channel we talk about tech, productivity, camera related accessories, travel and much more. So if you are interested in any of those things, I would highly appreciate it if you take a second and hit that subscribe button down below and click the bell icon to stay notified whenever new videos go out. Go ahead, I'll wait. Also, to make your viewing experience much better, I have included timestamps so you can get to the information you want in no time. Also, this video is 4K, so make sure you select the higher quality for your better viewing experience. So let's get right into the unboxing, shall we? In the box, we agreed with the instruction manual. Here it shows you how to connect to the app and how to download it. Also, we can see the cable that connects to the outlet with the power brick. It comes with this strap. We also see the battery module. We see the handle of the light, the power brick, the short cable that connects to the power brick, and two Sony NPF 970 batteries. And the light comes with this nice plastic cover. It also comes with a reflector with different colors like red, blue, brown, white, and green, and lastly, yellow. The first thing I love about this light is its size. So it basically fits anywhere. You can put it in your backpack like a lens. So if you're into portability, this is the light. Also in the studio, if I need a light for anything, this is the first light I grabbed due to the small size and ease of use. Godox also have the ML60, and compared to the ML30, it is a little bit bigger. However, it is 60 watts compared to the 30 watts of the ML30. Another thing I love about this light is that it includes two Sony NPF batteries. So I can have this light running for about 3.5 hours at 100% and about 6 hours when it comes to 50%. This light has the same option as the ML60 that you can turn off the fan. So if you have the light right next to the mic for some reason, you can turn it. However, it will limit the brightness to about only 50%. But even with the fan on, the light is very silent and I have never needed to turn the fan off. Let's do a noise test. Right now I have the light right here at 100% and I'm gonna just put it right next to the mic to see so you can hear. Alright, so that's basically what you hear. It's just more or less nothing. Also, with this light, Godox released two new accessories for it. The MLCS15 diffusion dome that costs about $29 and the MLCS1625 soft tan kit that costs about $39. And this accessory can be also used with the ML60. I do not own these accessories, but basically what it do is soften the light but without the bulk of a big softbox. Now, for the last thing that I love the most is this light can be controlled with the Godox Light App. So let's jump into the app and see all the things you can do with it. Alright guys, let's open the app. So once you open the app, you're gonna see all the lights that you have. And that's one thing I like about the Godox ecosystem, that most of the newer lights, they are available to connect through the Godox Light App, so it are easy to control. So we're gonna go ahead and, like for example, add a new light, and in here we can see the ML30 Bicolor, and we're gonna confirm. Takes a few seconds. Alright, so after adding the light, you'll see you are prompt with these settings. So right now you see on the light that is 5%, and on the app is 5%. So right on the bottom bar you can control the brightness from 0 all the way to 100. And even though it's a 30 watts light, it gets pretty bright. And you can control the kelvins from 2800. So the app starts at 2500, but this light doesn't support it, although Godox Light does. So it starts at 2800 and then all the way to 6500, and that's the coolest. So after that you cannot control it, so but you can control all the way from 28 to 65. So, and the tint and magenta, you cannot control it. This doesn't work with this light, so it doesn't matter what you have here. This light does not support the magenta or green tint, so we're gonna leave it here. So let me show you some of the effects that this light can have. So the first you can do is click on the top bar and then go into the effects, and we can select on the bottom the brightness and the frequency or the speed of the effect. So first we have RGB, but this one doesn't support RGB. We have flash, we have laser, we have lightning, broken bowl, we have TV, we have candle, fire, firework. Police car is not available for these lights. It's usually for the RGB. You see you have the ambulance one, music, and SOS is not supported. So that's where you control the effects, and you have plenty of them. Most of the time you're not going to be using this, but this is where most of the time you're going to be controlling. And that's one of the features I like about these lights, the fact that you can control it through the app. As much as I love this very small light, there are a few cons. First one being the fact that it does not come with a carrying case. It comes in this cardboard box that, compared to the ML60, it comes in this very nice carrying case. Another con with this light is the fact that this light does not support any wireless remote. And although I do not mind it because I'd rather use the app. And the last con is that in order to use this light with your accessories, you need to purchase the Godox S2 bracket. That is an additional $25 on top of the price of this light. So the question is this light worth $229? In my opinion, it is, but not as your first or only light. This is a great add-on to your other lights. For example, the VL150, which I made a video right here, you can check it out. But this small light, it is great to move around the studio and is my favorite hair light. As always, if you find this video useful, don't forget to like that button since it's helped my channel, subscribe and join the Alpha Squad, and turn on the bell icon too when I release new videos. If you have any questions about this light, you can follow me on Instagram and we can have a nice chat. You can send me your questions and I'll do my best to answer them. This is Alpha Tech and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.